Hello, I'm Steve Wells in Houston, Texas. Many congratulations to A9 and thank you for sending your... As Christians, we believe that all people should be able to live together in peace. We seek the brotherhood and the sisterhood of people around the world and believe that God is making one family of all the earth. We pray for the day when all people will live home and something be available to all people, and where people of faith stand arm in arm, hand in hand, seeking God's peace for the world. Thank you for today.